Today we have three options: RS, Dominar and Duke. So yeah, let's pick this one. So as you people saw in the thumbnail, our car met with an accident. Yeah, it was very small impact actually, but Alto का क्वालिटी क्या बात करूँ, तो इसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब डैमेज हुआ है. Even car is also ready. I think I have to call the showroom guys. Before that, today I am going to test ride the Tata Nexon because I am convincing my parents to buy the new car because it's already 4 years with Alto K10, and it's now it's becoming very it's very compact. Now it's right time to change the car because after accident I don't think so we should use the car. मतलब ऐसा अंदर एक feeling. You people got the point, right? So right now I'm riding Duke 200. You people can see the instrument cluster and all. It's completely old and raw. I love this one actually. मतलब 390 में जो instrument cluster है digital, I love that also. But somehow I feel this is way better than that because this is the first. जो पहले था वो बहुत बढ़िया था. मतलब I wonder that how Mumbaikar Nikhil and other motovloggers used to vlog on this bike. I mean मतलब वो बहुत हज़ार किलोमीटर 2000 किलोमीटर इसे राइड करते थे और इसके ऊपर सैडलिंग भी करते थे. I don't think so सैडलिंग is quite comfort on this bike because when I ride my Dominar 250 it feels too comfortable, too relaxing position. But according to me, Dominar's riding position is best and relaxing for the long ride bike. So you people are wondering where I am going right now. The people who stays in Belgaum, if you people don't know, there is a laundry known as Uclean for clothes on the kg basis. Like in the big cities, they have these facilities, but which I saw first time. I don't know for since how many days, since how many months this is here, but this is first time. This is the first experience with Uclean in this Belgaum city. So let's see. They have 2 to 3 options like clean, wash and fold, wash and iron. So I choose the wash and fold one. So they did pretty well. So आप ऐसे ही लेके जाके आप सीधा मतलब कबोर्ड या आपको जो भी अलमीरा जो रहता है उसके अंदर आराम से रख सकते हो, which is very nice thing I felt. So if you people want, you can visit. I think it's Somwarpet, or else you can Google it out. You will get this spot. So yeah, now let's go. So I was been to my room to keep my clothes. So that time I called the Tata showroom and they told Nexon is not available. Nexon is in Gokak. One Nexon is in Gokak and one Nexon is in Chukodi. बात वही हुआ, मैं गोकाक में जब था I asked them कि मुझे टेस्ट राइड करना है. So they told you will get in Belgavi. So now I am in Belgavi. They told the car is in Gokak. So yeah, अभी मतलब so now we are thinking that only whether we should test ride the Venue or else Seltos. So let's see. So both are the same sister brands. So let's see Venue available है या Kia Seltos available है. Whichever will be available, so you people will see in the video. So this is a Dominar 400 and this is Dominar 250. So people can see bike is standing with its elder brother, that's Dominar 400. It's almost looks similar, man. Oh, I forgot the keys. Yeah, let's go. This is the Kia service. I don't know whether this is Kia service. I don't know whether they have a test ride vehicle or no. So let's see. So this is the first time I'm sitting in the Seltos automatic. Okay. Yeah, nice. So the infotainment and everything looks amazing. People can see how the display is looking, and the steering also feels quite premium. So yeah, shall we go, sir? Let's go. The first thing when I start driving, It feels completely premium. मतलब I don't have words. So now let's take to the main road and check out how it feels. So I've heard that मतलब यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले में भी आएगा जब इंडिकेटर वगैरह देते हो. That's in this one or
That is for GTX line, sir.
GT? Only in the GT?
Only in GT lines.
Okay.
GTX.
Now let's check out the turning radius. It's good. So what will be the service cost of the, I mean, basic service cost?
Basic service cost for every 10,000 kilometer.
Okay.
For petrol bill gives you 4,500.
8 both. Okay.
And for this thing, for the diesel is like 5,500.
5,500. Okay.
It is initially 3 years will be the standard warranty
Okay.
with unlimited kilometer.
What is the difference between the GT variant and this one?
Different GT variant will be additional getting like 6 airbags,
Okay.
wireless charger.
Okay.
Means with the black.
This one doesn't have wireless charger. Okay.
Plus this with this thing GT line they have a different. The CCTV camera is there.
Okay. And graphics also change, right?
That's also will change.
Oh, the braking is also good. Yes. Amazing. The steering looks quite sporty, you people can see, and you have got a lot of controls on the steerings, like other new models. You can compare this one to the Creta, and yeah, you can compare this one to Creta. Actually, these both are the sister brands like Kia and Hyundai. So I think this has the same engine which has the Creta. Don't quote me on this. If it's right, I will add the screenshot. So now let's play the music and listen. I think Bose speakers are already there.
Yes.
Bose with subwoofer.
Yes.
Nice. Right now I'm quite impressed with this car because of the suspension, power, everything is absolutely amazing. Now let's listen one song and figure it out how the speakers are. So we have to stop the car because we have to connect the mobile to check the speakers. ये एक चीज़ मुझे बढ़िया लगता है, मतलब आजकल जो नया गाड़ी लॉन्च हो रहा है सभी में एक फैसिलिटीज़ बहुत बढ़िया है. एंड यू पीपल गॉट द ऑटोमेटिक, मतलब पावर विंडोज़ है, पूरा कंट्रोल्स आपके पास ड्राइवर के पास टू लॉक अनलॉक द कार, एंड दिस इज़ फॉर द कंट्रोल, एंड दिस इज़ टू कंट्रोल द मिरर. एंड आई लव दिस पियानो ब्लैक टच. ओके.
Spinning TV.
Wow, the speakers are amazing. And even the wipers you can see completely. While driving हम rear camera on कर सकते हैं क्या अभी? Okay, view. And this one has a sensors. Okay. मतलब पार्किंग करते समय एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा. ओनली थिंग इज इसके अंदर वो वायरलेस चार्जर नहीं आता है और 6 एयरबैग. इसमें कितने हैं? 2 airbags. Only front. Belgaum's traffic is getting worse day by day, man. Belgaum definitely needs a ring road. So right now the rear camera is on, you people can see. So while driving आप लोग इसे ऑन रख के ड्राइव कर सकते हो फॉर द सेफर साइड वाइल ओवरटेकिंग एंड ऑल। सो बार बार आपको मिरर या यहाँ पे ऊपर जो रेयर व्यू का जो मिरर रहता है वो बार बार आपको देखने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी। इट विल बी मोर ईजियर टू वॉच। सो हैव टू टेक अ लेफ्ट सो दैट रिक्शा का इज़ कमिंग ऑन द लेफ्ट लेन, आई कैन गिव द इंडिकेटर। मतलब यहीं पे पता चल जाएगा, बार बार मिरर देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। एंड द एसीज़ आर अमेजिंग। मतलब पूरा हाथ जम चुका है मेरा, राइट साइड स्टीयरिंग पकड़ा था मैंने यहाँ पे, तो पूरा यहाँ पे हाथ जम चुका है मेरा। एंड इवन दिस गॉट अ वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, राइट?
Yes.
Nice. So you have got the adaptive guidelines and also sensors. So right now I am using and this is for the park assist.
Yeah, buzzer.
Okay,
Buzzer.
buzzer, okay. मतलब जब भी आजू बाजू कोई आता है तो सायरन बीप करेगा। नाइस नाइस।
That is for the sensors only.
Which one? This is
Sensors should discontinue.
okay.
When the front sensor any object is coming,
Okay.
it will not buzzer. That's this one.
Okay. And this is for the ventilated seats. Both the seats get ventilated.
Yes,
Front.
front only.
Okay. For the GT variant,
GT one is also
same.
Same.
सो द फ्रंट सीट मतलब ड्राइवर का जो सीट रहता है वो बहुत कंफर्टेबल है। अभी मैं आपको रेयर दिखा देता हूँ, रेयर सीटिंग के बारे में। यहाँ पे रेयर का जो सीट है ये आप लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हो। मैंने मेरे हाइट के हिसाब से मैंने सीट एडजस्ट किया था। माई हाइट इज़ अराउंड 5'9", 5'10", तो पीछे काफ़ी लेग रूम है, आप लोग देख सकते हो। बट सम हाउ द अंदर था बहुत सपोर्ट मिल जाती तो बढ़िया हो जाता। यहाँ पे आप लोग बॉटल रख सकते हो आराम से। एंड ये सब कुछ बहुत बढ़िया क्वालिटी का है, आप लोग देख सकते हो। और ये है लाइन, यहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हो कूलिंग ग्लास की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है। एंड दैट्स नाइस एक्चुअली। एंड आप लोग देख सकते हो कप होल्डर भी है और आपको आर्म रेस्ट भी मिलता है यहाँ पे। ऑल द 3 पैसेंजर्स इन द रेयर सीट गेट द हेड रेस्ट हियर एंड दैट ऑल्सो एडजस्टेबल। एंड नाउ लेट्स चेक आउट हाउ द बूट स्पेस। So even the boot space is also quite enough big, and the spare wheel is here. Nice.